Welcome back to Lesson 2. Today we are looking at the backbone of every tech project, the Software Development Lifecycle, or SDLC. Think of the SDLC as a manufacturing assembly line, but for software, it is a step-by-step pipeline that engineering teams use to design, build, and test applications. As a business analyst, you are highly critical here because your work forms the absolute foundation of the very first phases of this life cycle before a single line of code is written. Every software project moves through 5 core phases. First is a requirements phase, where the BA extracts what the client wants. Next is design, where architects map out the technical system blueprints. Then comes development, where engineers write the code, followed by the testing phase to catch bugs. Finally, we hit deployment, which is launching the software to real users. While engineering owns coding and testing, the BA owns the requirements that guide the whole project. To run these phases, companies use 2 primary frameworks, Waterfall and Agile. Waterfall is a traditional corporate approach. It is rigid and sequential. You must finish requirements entirely before moving to design or development. Agile, on the other hand, is the modern industry standard. It is highly flexible, breaking work into tiny 2-week cycles called sprints. As a BA, your workflow changes drastically depending on which framework your team uses. Understanding the SDLC and project methodologies is crucial because it dictates your day-to-day workflow. In our next lesson, we are going to dive deep into phase 1 of the cycle and explore requirements elicitation, meaning the exact techniques BAs use to interview clients and run workshops. If you're finding this crash course helpful, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in Lesson 3.